Hermosa. So this is my hangout place. Chill time lang. I do walking here, sometimes jogging. Madami rin mga food restos dito, so parang ganun din. After mag-exercise, kumakain din na madami. At least break even, right? So ayan siya. So maganda rito. We also have the Landers, so maganda na siya, and madaming parking. So kahit umuulan, meron naman covered areas dito, as you can see. So typical mini mall type, but with very many functions. So we're here inside Landers. This is Landers Hermosa. So don't quote me, but sabi nila this is the biggest Landers store in the Philippines. So yes, dami ritong items, guys. Yung mga naka-sale din. Right now, doon sa kabilang side, there's a lot of Christmas decors because malapit na mag-Christmas. So yun, we'll just roam around and check for different items.